Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Good morning and happy Friday. Quick little video here today on an overlook here in North Dakota. So it's about 43 degrees this morning, nice and cool. The sun's rising. I started driving about 5 o'clock. Got a early start this morning because I got to be in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota to unload my apples by 2 p.m. So yeah, trucking east through North Dakota. Just wanted to show you this overlook here because it's really pretty. I stopped to go to the bathroom quick and heat up my coffee, and yeah, it's just a really pretty overlook. And just to show you that every state has beauty, it really does. I mean, I've always thought of North Dakota as a pretty flat, boring state, but as y'all seen the other day, when I was driving west, I stopped at Painted Canyon on the western edge of North Dakota and had a wonderful hike, an intense 1 mile hike, but it was beautiful. And there is pretty areas in every state. And so I'm in the middle of North Dakota now on I-90 rolling east, and right by Bismarck here, and there's an overlook and it's really pretty. And yeah, every state has some beauty. Quick stop here. Just thought I'd show you this real quick. So there's the sun rising there, my truck here, just a little view area here. Whoa. Okay, Mandan Scenic Overlook. A driving northeast wind, cold temperatures, and freezing rain and snow led Lewis and Clark to seek shelter after only 7 miles. During the day, they passed the mouth of the Heart River, learning from their Arikara passenger that the Mandans had sacred sites in that area. Several other abandoned Earth Lodge villages were reported, including one located in beautiful and extensive plain. Clark killed a buffalo near their campsite northeast of modern Mandan on the west bank of the river. Huh. Lewis and Clark history here. Very cool. You can screenshot that if you want to read more. But yeah, Mandan's right back that way, and then coming into Bismarck here. And I didn't know that history. It's kind of cool. Yeah, pretty area here. Neat landmark thing here. Let's see, what does it say? Oh, it's got a thing of Bismarck and the state flower, the state fish. Okay, Lake Sacagawea? Is that Sacagawea? No, I think that's I don't know how to say that one. That's different. And agriculture, geology of North Dakota. Yeah, a lot of cool stuff here. Mandan. Yeah, state tree. And yeah, there's some neat information there. Let me see that. Huh. Very cool. But more than that, yeah, look at the view here. So it's kind of overlooking the valley here. I'm going to stand on this concrete bench here. Very pretty. North Dakota. Mostly flat, but there is some hills and valleys, and especially on the western side, it is really pretty. There's a good example here. Plains and prairies and hills and even some mountains in North Dakota. Oh, that'd be neat to hike in down around there. Pretty little area, little woodsy area. Very cool. I gotta keep rolling east, make my delivery today and get home. But side A quick little video here, just to show you that every state has beauty. You just gotta look for it. Take the time, and yeah, every state is unique. Every country is unique, and God's creation is amazing. And so yeah, I just encourage you to live life fully. Like I always say, my mantra, just do what you can every day, and just get outside, get exercise, fresh air, enjoy God's creation, explore, enjoy life wherever you're at. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.